Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be doing a TikTok dance. But before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to start off with this dance is you're going to have your hands out in front and you're going to imagine you're grabbing something and pulling it towards you. So whatever that is you want to grab, you grab it and pull it in. So as you do that, you're going to step forward and you're going to also lean forward. So lean towards whatever you're grabbing. So you lean in and that's 2 counts. So it's 1, 2, and then you're going to change your mind and push it away on count 3, 4. So your hands are going to come out and you're going to push it away. 3, 4. And as you do that, you kind of lean back. So you pull it in, and then you change your mind, push it out. So the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that is option 1. Option 2, what I also see on TikTok, is that some people will cross like this, like making an X, and you're going to pull it down. So your hands are in a fist, and pull it down. Both hands come down. Arms come down, everything comes down, 1, 2. So the same amount of counts, 1, 2. And it really doesn't matter which arm you cross over. Doesn't matter, you just want to have your hands in an X and then pull it down. And you're going to do the same thing by stepping forward, and counts are 1, 2, and then you would push it away, 3, 4. So we pull it down, push it back. So I'm going to be doing that option, so that's option 2, but if you want to do option 1, it is just we're grabbing it, pulling towards us, and push away. Option 1, option 2, pull it down, push it back. So going from the top, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next part. So this part's kind of funny to me. So your hands are going to come up in a fist, and you're going to twist side to side. You're going to go right, left, right, left. So I'm kind of moving my heels out, 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 out. So I'm going right, left, left. And if you want to go left, right, that's okay too. It really doesn't matter. But for me, hands are in a fist, and I'm going right, left. So as well, I see a lot of people do this. Some people don't. But if you want, you make a face while you do it. So you're going to pout your lips, and then you close your eyes, and you're going to do that for 4 counts as you're doing the twist. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, you ready? So it goes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that's optional. You don't have to do that. You can just twist, keeping your eyes open, whatever facial expression you want to use. But I notice a lot of people do that as they do the move. So if you guys want to do that, go for it. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're making the facial expression, it goes. So going from the top, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part, you're going to kick your leg out to the side. I'm kind of doing a little bit of a diagonal, so not fully to the side, but on a diagonal, I kick. So I kick, and I'm kicking with my right leg. So kick, and as you do your kick, you're going to toss your arms the opposite way. So you're going to go 1, 2. Same thing, counts are 1, 2. 1, 2. So you go 1, and then bring it back in on 2. So 1, 2. So going from the top, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Next part, you're going to step back with your opposite foot. 3. Bring it back in on 4. So 3, 4. So step back, bring it in. Again, step back, bring it in. One more time, back, bring it in. And if you guys want to know, I'm using my left foot. Step back, bring it in. And that count is 3, 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's an arm movement that you do as you step back. You can do the peace sign. So 2 fingers up. Some people use 1 peace sign, some people use 2. I'm going to be using 1. So you step back, 3, 4. And again, you lean back, 3, bring it down, 4. So the peace sign is on count 3. So 3, 4. So let's go from the kick, the 1, 2. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, whole thing from the top. Here we go. 5, 6. I'll do option 1 where I pull in. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part, you're going to bring your hands into a fist again, and you're going to be making a circle towards you. It's almost like a half circle. So your hands come towards you and then out. So we're not making a full circle, just almost a half circle. So we bring it in, out. Going from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as I do the little circle, half circle, I'm stepping with my right foot, just kind of doing a touch. So 5, 6. And then this is the last part. You're going to step forward 7, 8, and you can step with your right foot first or your left foot. I'm stepping right, left, so I step right, left. So I step and then I cross my left foot in front. So right, left. A couple times. Ready, and right, left. One more time. Ready, and right, left. Now there's arm movement, of course. So you're going to bring your hands out like this, and you're going to use jazz fingers. So just like this, and you're going to go 7, 8. So you're just kind of moving your hands, 7, 8, as you step forward, right, left, or left, right, 7, 8. And I also kind of like, I use my shoulders a little bit as I do it, like 7, 8. And then also, you don't have to do this. You can move your hands however you want, but you just want to have your hands out in front as you step, step. And that is the whole dance. So let's go from the top, and we'll do it a couple times. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, let's do it from the top. I'll do option 1 this time. I'm gonna go 1, 2. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it one more time from the top. I'm going to be doing option 2. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out the link below. And if you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.